I have this script, which is assigned to this GameObject from here. And inside this script, I want to get the reference of this other GameObject, which is the parent of the GameObject that has the script assigned. That's super easy to do because inside the script, you can access directly to the transform component of the GameObject to which the script is assigned. And if you have the transform of the child, you can access directly to the transform of the parent. Here's how you do it. Inside the script, just write transform in lowercase dot parent. And that's it. All of this represents the parent of the GameObject that has the script assigned. You could also add .GameObject with the first letter in lowercase, and this is the GameObject from that parent. Here we can define a public GameObject variable to store the reference of this object we just found, and we can print its name in the console, parentObject.name. Save the script. By the way, I have a playlist full of Unity tutorials in my channel. I'm just saying, you might find them useful. And as you can see, it's working. And I don't know where could be the message in the console here. In case you want to get the parent of another object which doesn't have a script, for example, this one, then you will need to find a way to get the reference of that GameObject first, or the transform of it. In the description there is a playlist with different methods, but a very simple way to do it is to define a public GameObject variable, and in the inspector drag the child GameObject to that variable. Then in your script you can simply use this variable and with the dot operator access to its transform, and the same as before. If you have the transform of an object, you can directly access to its parent. So dot parent dot GameObject dot name. Here, as you can see, we print the named houses just below the other object's name. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to check my playlist full of Unity tutorials. See you next time.